Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I have a tutorial, full face tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be trying out new makeup. I have a few things here and there that are not new, but most of them are new, so I'm very excited to try these out. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you can be a part of this little family here. We are growing so fast and that makes me so happy. And also give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you are new. So we're gonna get started really quick. The first thing I'm gonna use is this Milk Makeup Matcha Toner. I believe this goes under the makeup. I've never tried a toner like this before. It's really interesting. So, it's a little stickier than I thought, but it feels so refreshing. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I'm not going to apply it on my nose, but I'm gonna get my hands and just start like pushing it into my skin. And then with whatever I have on my fingers, I'm going to apply that on my nose. This kind of feels like the e.l.f. Cosmetics Prep and Hydrate Balm, which is one of my favorite products to use as a primer under my makeup, especially if you have dry skin. I'm very dry right now on my chin. So this is one of the products I don't have that's new. So my brows are already done. And as you can see, I only set this, or not set. I primed this eyelid over here. And a lot of people ask me, is that really necessary? Well, I am here to tell you, my friends, that it kind of is. Well, to me, it is because I'm using the LA Girl Pro.Concealer, and I always use, not this concealer, but just any concealer that's creamy and not too lightweight. There are a few reasons why I like to prime my eyelids with concealer. That's because, I don't know if you guys saw, I should have showed you like a close-up, but when I don't put concealer on my eyelids, you can see the veins and they're a bit dark. And I don't like that. And the other reason is because it really helps to blend out the eyeshadows better, but you have to set them. If I don't set them, then the concealer is going to be moving around. So yeah, those are the reasons why I like to use a concealer to prime my eyelids. Now I'm just setting it with a translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder or an eyeshadow that's your skin tone. Moving back to my face, I'm going to use this Milk Makeup Foundation. This is the matte foundation and it's going to be my first time using it. I have heard a lot of good things about this. I don't even know. Oh my god. Okay. They emailed me and asked me to choose a shade, and as some of you might know, I'm not good at that. So I don't know if this is going to be a good shade for me, but let's try it out. I might need a little more, but let's start with that. And I'm using the beauty blender. No, this is not a beauty. This is from LA Girl sponge, and I'm just blending it out with this. I kind of like the smell. Oh, and it looks like it is my shade. Okay. Okay, the coverage is incredible and it's so matte. I hope it doesn't feel like super dry on my dry areas. But, oh, by the way, not all of the products are new. They're just new to me. It's kind of looking a bit more ashy or like lighter on my face once it's blended out. Oh my god, what is that? Am I supposed to like shake it first? Oh my god. Am I? I don't know, but I don't want that to happen again. I think I was supposed to shake it first. Oh god. Yeah, this shade is a bit too light for me, but I'm just gonna apply it all over like that and just test it out, see how it feels on my skin, how long it lasts, and everything. Okay, and the concealer, like I said, they had me choose online and I'm not good at that, and it kind of looks like the concealer. I chose it like a shade darker than the foundation, which is not supposed to be like that, obviously. Let's see if I can try to make this work. I'm going to put it under my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead and blend it out with the same sponge. Okay, well, I don't think it's noticeable like that bad. It doesn't look darker. Now to set my under eyes, they also gave me this powder, but I've used this before. So today, I'm going to be using the new Too Faced. I forgot when it came out, but they sent it to me a few days ago, and we have brightening setting powder, blush duo, and bronzer and highlighter duo. So I'm going to be using this Tutti Frutti, it's Bananas brightening setting powder under my eyes. I don't think I've tried a brightening under eye setting powder before, especially pressed powder. I like to use mostly loose translucent powders to set my under eyes. But let's see. And it's supposed to smell like, oh my god, like bananas. It smells like bananas. You have to make sure you tap and not swipe. You can swipe once the concealer is already set, but the first time you apply it on, don't swipe, because then you're gonna get the streak marks. Okay, this powder is not that bad. It's not, the concealer isn't creasing anymore, but I'm starting to see my under eyes just a tiny bit darker than the rest of my face because of the damn concealer that I chose too dark. I'm using this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Pressed Powder, which is a bit darker than the shade I'm supposed to be using, but I chose this one because the foundation I chose was too light. So I'm hoping this kind of helps to kind of make my face match my neck. And I'm also using the e.l.f. Cosmetics. I finally found it in one of my videos. I was looking for it and I finally found it, in case you guys were wondering. Anyways, moving on. Woo! Now, oh my god. Ooh, it better not be broken. I'm so mad. Oh my god, please don't be broken. Ooh, it's not broken. I'm not gonna be using this right now. I'm gonna go for the bronzer. Oh my god, it's the other one that fell. Please don't be broken. Okay, we're good. I always get so excited to try out new products, but then at the same time, I don't want to touch it because it looks so pretty, and then the mirror is gonna look all ugly. I'm gonna be using this brush from Beige Cosmetics, and I'm gonna grab some of the bronzer. And it looks like it's not completely matte, and I normally don't use bronzers that are not matte, but let's see how this works. Okay, this is like the perfect shade of bronzer that I need to warm up my whole face, especially right now that it's looking a little too plain. So I kind of like to apply it right here first, and then from there just blend it out. The only times I like to wear like shimmery, like sun-kissed, glowy bronzers is around the summer. Oh, it's Strobing Bronzer Highlighting Duo. Strobing, is that to make your skin look glowy? Is that what it is? I'm gonna go into this Too Faced blush. This one's called Strobeberry. I'm guessing it's also shimmery. I always like to smile a little bit to bring my cheekbones up, and it does have just a bit of shimmer to it. Okay, so before I apply it, I want to swatch it really quick behind my hand because it looks very gorgeous. It smells like pineapple. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna apply it right here. Oh my god, look at that. And I didn't even have to spray the brush like with any water setting spray. Oh, that looks gorgeous. And the most important thing for me in highlighters, it's not glittery at all. It's pigmented. The shade is gorgeous. This shade goes with any skin tone. Whew, I'm looking crazy. As you can see, I already have this eye done over here, and I use, oh yeah, they're on you. So I'm gonna start by applying an eyeliner. This one's from Lancome. At first, I had no idea what it was. It just looked it looks super cool, but I didn't know if it was like for the eyebrows and eyeliner. But it works so good because I use this as a base for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, starting on the roots of my lid, or the roots of my eyelashes. Look at the fly. How disrespectful. Oh my god, my legs are burning. I have a heating pad on the chair because I'm wearing shorts and it's so cold. Well, it's not cold in here. The chair is leather and it's cold, but the heating pad is burning my legs. I actually use that heating pad for my back because I have back problems, and that helps a lot with the pain. But yeah, this part might take a long time, especially because you're using a black eyeshadow, or not black eyeliner. And if you want it to look nice, it has to be nice and blended and not looking patchy like how it's looking right now. Let me zoom you in. I'm using this A3 brush from Anastasia to blend out the edges. Now that it's kind of nicely blended up here, I'm gonna wing it out because right here it goes all the way to the corner of the tail of my eyebrow. And since the brush already has some of the eyeliner, I'm just going to drag it over here to kind of wing it out. With this blending brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, I'm going to grab some of this eyeshadow right here. It says eyes, cheeks, and lips. Today I'm only going to use this as an eyeshadow, so I'm getting some with the brush, and it looks so gorgeous as an eyeshadow. It's very pigmented and it feels velvety, and having the eyeliner under that can really help to make it stand out. Now I'm going to get this crease brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics and start blending out the edges. with this small precision brush from Elf Cosmetics, I'm going to get some of this eyeshadow right here. I'm going to apply that on the inner corner, but also bring it in to this inner corner right here. And these eyelashes that I'm going to apply are from Icon. I've worn these so many times and they're still good. While the glue is drying, I'm just taking off the fallout that I had from the eyeshadow. I had already curled my eyelashes. And the glue is pretty tacky, so that's the perfect time to apply the eyelashes. Now I'm applying this eyeliner from the Balm Cosmetics, one of the best eyeliners out there. The reason why I really love this eyeliner is because the other day I got 4 different eyeliners just like this one. This one was one of them, and I put them just a line on the back of my hand, and later on I wanted to test to see which one would smudge. So I went like this to all of them, and this one was the only one that did not smudge at all, not even a little bit. There was one that was like, oh my god, the worst. And the other ones, they did smudge, but it wasn't bad as the worst one. So if you guys are looking for an eyeliner like that, I recommend this one. Now I'm gonna take this eyeliner from Urban Decay and put that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. I love putting, oh no, wait! I totally forgot to put the eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I'm gonna use a flat brush, so I'm just applying it on my lower lash line, and don't forget to connect it to the eyeshadow on the top. Kind of want to make the line, the eyeshadow line, to go like this all the way to the outer corner to wing it out. Now I'm applying the eyeliner on the inner corner of my lower lash line. I love to do that to make them pop, especially for the holidays, for any like fancy party or anything. Adding glitter just makes the whole look nice. The mascara I'll be using is the Pixie by Petra Black Lacquer Lash Primer. I don't want my lower lashes to be too dramatic with too much product because I want the glitter to stand out more than the lower lashes. Oh my god, I almost forgot, but I also got this Milk Makeup tattoo stamp that I've been seeing this around on Instagram, and I wanted to try it, and they sent me one, so let's try it out. I'm trying to see, hold on, let me do it on the back of my hand to see how much pressure oh my god, okay, that wasn't a lot of pressure. Kind of want to do it right here, which is I think where most people do it. Oh, okay. No, okay, I was gonna do it on both sides, but I'll just leave it right there. I'm going to put this lipstick. This one's the Covergirl Queen's something. It's like already scratched off. This lipstick is really good. Oh, I definitely recommend this one for, well, not this one, but the Queen's collection. If you're going out to a party or out to eat or something, this will not go anywhere. And it feels so light on the lips. It's not patchy. It's just perfect for that, for anything. Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I had fun. I love trying new makeup, so this was fun for me. I hope it was fun for you. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. And again, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. No, not the, well, yeah, the like button too, but I already said that. Hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any video requests, leave them down below. And yeah, I will have all of the products that I used today in the description box below in case you are interested in checking them out. For today's video, I want to give a shout out to Mary Arevalo. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that right, but thank you so much for your sweet comment and for subscribing to my channel. I love you so much. Mwah. I send you so many kisses. If you want a shout out in my next video, let me know in the comments down below where you're from. Now I'm off to take lots of pictures for Instagram, then wash this whole makeup off. Thank you so much for your love and support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!